So next I request Srimati K. Amrita Madam, please felicitate our one for two resource persons are there. So I request one for both of you, ma'am, please come up the stage. Miss Sadhji, ma'am. Request Srimati Dipsika, ma'am, please come up to the stage. So to felicitate our next instructor, next trainer, Miss Himanshi Dudhi. Thank you so much.
Myself, Saha, and my team.
Kampung. Hi, Muslim. My name is Sharna.
Harsh Sharma, JJ Gino, Tumsan Sriga, Yobli.
So today we are present here and we made a automatic obstacle avoiding car. So already Tesla, which is a company of Elon Musk, they already had made this type of cars, but they are very much expensive and they are not available in India. So we are trying to make those things in a very less cost, and we want to make this thing provide to all Indians or others. So we made this car. So this we added a blinker here and we added a ultrasonic sensor. We had a Arduino which we coded, and we made this like this, that whenever some obstacle comes here, then this blinker will work and this will turn automatically. So I will just show you. So as you can see, it is going forward, and whenever I want to put my hand like this, it will turn automatically and the blinker also turns on. So these type of cars are very much needed in our daily life because many accidents are done due to high speed whenever the car is not in control. So this is a better help, but we are trying to apply brakes also, which we will do later on this prototype. This for thank you.
Representing Vkv with Agam Tacha, Rafa Rio, Mino Palo, and Ria Digyo. The main idea for our project was to make a device that can help a blind person walk easily around anywhere without getting clashed with the wall or objects around it. So our project here is its name is Smart Stick for Blind People. As from the name itself, you can tell that it is a stick designed for blind people to walk around anywhere without without getting clashed with the objects around it. It is made simply with a ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires, Arduino Uno, and a buzzer.
उसको आगे आने दो, जो प्रेजेंट करेंगे ना उसका आगे इधर में चलने दो, उसको पैकेट में डाल दो।
We are from Vkv Itanagar and my group members are and myself, Ongam, Hondem and Phonian. We have made an automatic dustbin with the help of ultrasonic sensor, servo motor and Arduino. We have made dustbin that anything will come in the range of 25 centimeters to the sensor, then the lid of the dustbin will automatically open for 3 seconds. It will return to the. You can see this with practical.
Pause.
So you can see this. We can use this dustbin in homes, medical shop, etc. without touching the dustbin. Thank you.
A fine evening to one and all present here. Respected Principal Sir,
Ravikant sir, teachers and the two resource persons, and my dear brothers and sisters.
today myself along with my team member of Vkv Balijan, Mama Ngaya, Delimakin, Duyueli and Naim Sangais over here to present our model. And the name of our model is Automatic Irrigation System. By the name you can understand what would be its function. So its function is to. So here we use the moisture detector sensor by which it detects the moisture of the soil, and when there is no water present in the soil, it generates automatically and waters the plants, due to which reduce a lot of work problems. Like sometimes when the plant lovers, they go on a long trip, they really miss their plants because they will not be able to water their plants for a long time. During that time, it will be very useful for them. So here is our demo. As you can see, there is no water in the soil, so the motor starts to water. So the motor starts to water the plant automatically, and when the plants get watered, it stops automatically, but due to which it saves a lot of water too, and reduce the work. Thank you.
Thank you all my dear friends, brothers and sisters. Today myself, Kumari Nindapolo of Vkv Vesam with my team, Sampi Baga, Hamid Wesi, Omar Ego and Yayum Yadi. Today we are here to show our model, and our project is smoke sensor. We have made two models. In first model, we have used Arduino, and in our second model we did not use any Arduino, but we used a breadboard and cell. At first model you can see that we have put this Arduino in a drain. The motto is that and many times people used to smoke in train after warning many times, but they did not listen to someone. So we thought that people should put this sensor in the drain, and if someone is smoking cigarette or any else, then the air will, then the smoke will flow in here, then the buzzer will beep loud, and people will come to know that someone is smoking in the drain, and they can make that person out of the drain if that person does not listen. And we can also put this in school, that many times it can to be seen that students also start smoking, and after telling many times by their parents or teacher, they do not listen to them. And teachers also can put this sensor in like students' favorite place, bathroom, where they go and smoke.
Students' favorite place is bathroom.
And if they smoke in the bathroom, then the buzzer will be loud, and teacher will come to know that someone is smoking in the bathroom, and teacher can punish them, and they can catch them doing corruption. Thank you very much.
Present our model, that is obstacle detecting car. Here we have made a model of a car where we have fixed an ultrasonic sensor at the back of the car, which will detect any obstacles or any obstacles coming in the range of the car. I would like to tell you how it works. Here, when any obstacles come in the range of lesser than 50 centimeters from the car, then the LED will glow. And if any obstacles come in the range of lesser than 20 centimeters, then the buzzer will beep and alert the driver. As we have seen that while parking or reversing the car, some obstacles may come beside the car and it will lead to any accidents. So to prevent this type of accident, we have fixed ultrasonic sensors at the back of the car. So in the future, we would like to fix more ultrasonic sensor at all the sides of the car to make it more automated or self-driven car, and it would be more better and affordable than Tesla.
You introduce yourself and the school also. Quick.
My name is Golumlaya and
My name is Don.
My name is Akolusha.
my name is Atal.
And you are from?
We are from Vkv 0. Thank you.
Good evening, present here. Myself, and we are from Vkv Itanagar. And here I'm standing with my teammates to represent our model. And name of my teammates are
The blue white.
So the principle of our model is very simple. So it's a smoke sensor with jumper wire, USB cable, and this beeper. So it has been observed by me, and I think you all might be observed that so many boys used to smoke in toilet, and it's a universal truth.
तो आज तक जहाँ तक देख सकते हैं हम सभी कि आजकल के जो यूथ है, लड़कों की जनरेशन, सब लाइक स्मोकिंग से एडिक्टेड होके होते हैं. तो फिर लाइक दे आर लाइक टू स्मोक इन स्कूल टॉयलेट. तो फिर अगर लोग स्कूल के टॉयलेट्स में स्मोकिंग कर रहे हो तो ये बजर को टॉयलेट यहाँ बजर है, और जब भी ये लाइक स्मोक सेंस कर सकता है, तो जब बच्चे स्मोकिंग कर रहे होंगे तो फिर इसका स्मोक का सेंस इस बजर पर जाएगा, जिसके कारण ये बजर ये सेंसर स्मोक को सेंस कर लेगा और ये बजर से ठीक हो जाएगा. तब टीचर जो सामने वाले टीचर सभी को अवेयर हो जाएगा कि बच्चे कोई बात टॉयलेट में स्मोकिंग कर रहे हैं. तब वो टीचर्स उन बच्चों को रोक सकते हैं। और कुछ है लाइक हम इस सेंसर को हमें पब्लिक टॉयलेट एंड रेलवे टॉयलेट में लगा सकते हैं। और आजकल जितना देखे जाए आजकल जितना देखे तो बहुत सारे लाइक घरों में आग जलते हैं, आग जलती है तो फिर लाइक वो गैस के लीकेज के कारण तो उस लीकेज को रोकने के लिए जब गैस लीक हो जाएगा किसी घर में तब ये सेंसर उस गैस लीक होने का सेंस को सेंस कर देगा, जिसके कारण ये बजर बीप होगा। तो फिर घर के जो रहने वाले इंसान हैं सभी को पता चलेगा कि गैस लीक हो रहा है, तब ये एक्सीडेंट से वो लोग प्रिवेंट हो सकते हैं। तो इस गैस को सेंसर को चलाकर देखते हैं। And the elements which we use in this buzzer, USB cable, buzzer, is it audible? Yes. USB cable, buzzer, jumper wire, Arduino Uno, and yeah. Thank you.
One more thing. For a boy toilet, there is one logo that is not making a fire near the boys toilet because if someone अगर कोई सामने में आग जला रहा होगा, जैसे कोई आज का कचरा या में जमा करके आग जला रहा होगा तो या में क्या बोलते हैं तो खिड़की तो खुला हुआ है तो वो अंदर घुस के ये जो स्मोक सेंसर है उसको तो ऑन कर देगा, तो उसके लिए हम तो या में इसको ऐसे
जहाँ पर परमेश्वर का धाम है।
dance. So there are various dancers in our VKVs also. So please, girls, come up on the stage to show your own talent.
Myself belongs to Vkv sitting here to share my experience about the ATL game. So, as you all know, we all had arrived at Vkv Itanagar for training purpose in 3 December 2022. The trip was nice. As we reached here, the atmosphere was different. Everybody was introducing themselves to each other, asking which Vkv you are from, which class, how was your trip, etc. But the best thing was, everybody was very polite, honest, and determined. It was showing that everybody had came in to learn what we were taught. And I think we all have been introduced by the trainer that what we will be going to learn.
Most respected principal sir, Ravi sir, and the resource persons, both the resource persons, Shaluji and Himachi and all the teachers, family members, and my dear students. Today I am standing here to share my experience about this ATL program. But first of all, I would like to share that this is my first direct interaction with ATL, and when I was informed about this camp, the first thing came to my mind was nervousness. I was very nervous as ATL is something which is I am not at all versed with. But along with the nervousness, I was equally very curious as well, because it is something which I would like to know. When I reached here, along with my students, we all were very, very intrigued about this program, and we have a 3D printer in our school. I get very curious and I sometimes go and observe it, but I'm very afraid to even touch it because I don't know how to operate it at all. So that was my very, you can say I was most curious about that, and the first session they took was on 3D printer, which piqued my interest more. After going back from the sessions, one thing I do is I often ask my students about the things they have learned and whether they are enjoying or not. The two things that they like the most is first 3D printer and the animation part from the envelope. So these two things have piqued their interest, and I hope that they will carry it and they will do some more innovations along with it. One more thing I would like to share is, all the sessions were very interesting. We had you can say 4 full day sessions, but now it feels like it has gone with a blink of an eye. We cannot even feel that it has been 4 days. So I would not take much time, but before going I would like to thank sirs and the resource persons for giving us this platform which will help us to go forward with this, and I promise that we'll try to take up this in our school and we'll try to revive our ATL camp again, ATL lab again, and I hope my students will take it and use all the information they got from here to all the adventures they will do in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable words.
So, good evening, all of you. Good evening. How's the training? Yes, all the teachers and students. Do you like it? Yes. Okay. So, what we have learned in these 4 to 5 days? We have learned so many things. We have learned about Arduino. We have learned about different sensors, right? And some actuators, right? But before the training, क्या आपको कोई idea था regarding all these things? No. But now you are able to think, and you are able to turn your idea into reality, right? Yes. Okay. So the idea is, आपको क्या करना है? You have to think over it. What is happening around us? What is happening around you? Means आपके एरिया के अंदर, आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर क्या-क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, and what you can do using this ATL lab. आप उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हो? It is not necessary that you will be able to find out a proper solution for particular problem. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने एक प्रॉब्लम नोटिस किया एंड आपने ठीक है मेरे को ये सॉल्व करना है देन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. नहीं, यू विल बी फेसिंग 100 टाइम्स फेलियर. आप करोगे, उसको ट्राई करोगे, बट विथ एवरी फेलियर यू विल बी एबल टू एनहांस योर क्या, अपने स्किल्स को एनहांस करोगे, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को एनहांस करोगे, एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल रिकॉल योर फॉल्ट कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम पे ये गलती किया था, अभी मुझे उसको इम्प्रूव करना है टू फाइंड आउट अ बेटर सॉल्यूशन, राइट? सो इन दिस वे यू कैन क्रिएट new big things with simple basic controllers, sensors and actuators, right? So till now we have created how many projects? Yes, all of you? Nearby 10 to 15 projects? Yes. Like obstacle avoiding car, smoke detector, intruder detector, and traffic light system, basic LED circuits, and automatic irrigation system. Or yes, we have seen one of the most and curious device in the ATL lab, that is 3D printer. So suppose you have noticed one problem. This is the first step. You have to notice a problem, right? What is the next step? You have to think about the solution. There are n number of solutions. Suppose you are solving a mathematical equation. Is there only one solution to solve the problem? No. There are lot of solutions. There are lot of ways where you can solve the particular problem. Right? Suppose आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना है, तो क्या वहाँ पर जाने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है? No. बहुत सारे रास्ते हैं. You have to choose a shortest one, right? जहाँ पर जाना, जिस रोड पर जाना feasible हो, आप वो choose करोगे. Similarly, अगर आपने एक problem notice किया, you have to solve that problem, तो आप क्या करोगे? organizing this workshop and give us opportunity कि हम आप लोगों के साथ कुछ अपनी नॉलेज को शेयर कर पाएँ, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर कर पाएँ. Thank you all the students and all the teachers.